Yes, hi students, good morning to everyone. The last session we have discussed up to question number 9 in the 9.2 exercise. Today I am going to discuss the remaining questions in the 9 point, say in the same exercise, but first I will take question number 12 because it is similar to question number 9, and also the remaining questions I will discuss later. First I will go into question number 12. Yes, the ratio of the sum of the m and n terms of an AP is m square is to n square. What is given? The ratios of the sum of n terms and m terms and n terms is given. Okay, Sm divided by Sn is equal to m square divided by n square. Then show that, you observe. What is our target? Yes, show that. Now you have to prove that the ratios of the mth term and nth term is 2m minus 1 divided by 2n minus 1. What is our target? Am. Now we have to prove that 2am divided by an is equal to 2m minus 1 divided by 2n minus 1. First you write given marks, the ratios of the sum of m terms. What is sum of n terms formula? Tell me anybody. Yes, m by 2 or n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. Similarly, the sum of m terms means n replacement m. Sum of p terms means n replacement p. Sum of q terms means n replacement of q only. Okay. Yes, the given first write given sum of m terms. Okay. Sum of m terms divided by sum of n terms is equal to m square divided by n square. Okay. What is sum of m terms formula? N replacement what? M. Okay, as m by 2 into 2a plus m minus 1 into d is equal to m square divided by n square. Sorry, is equal to here, right? No, is equal to yes, divided by Sn means m replacement n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to m square divided by n square. You observe first, here m one time is there, here one time get cancelled. What is the remaining? Only m. Here 1 by 2 is there. Okay, here n get cancelled by using right side one term. Get cancelled. What is the remaining? Q2 also get cancelled. What is the remaining? Yeah, therefore 2a, okay, right, 2a plus m minus 1 into d divided by 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to m square divided by n square. Okay, yes. The next step. Again 2 get common outside. 2 is get common outside. What is remaining? A plus m minus 1 divided by 2 into d divided by what is the remaining? As again denominator also 2 get common outside. A plus n minus 1 divided by 2 into d is equal to what is the right side? M square divided by n square. M square divided by n square. Here 2 get common, get cancelled. Okay. Here listen, mth term. What is our next procedure? What is the next our target? The ratios of the here m term, one term get cancelled. What is the remaining? M and n only. Sorry, m and n only. Right side. The ratios of the mth term and nth term is 2m minus 1 divided by 2n minus 1 ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, here a plus m minus 1 by 2 into d, a plus n minus 1 by 2 into d. In the last class, the similar questions here, comparing here mth term, what ma? Mth term, listen, mth term means a plus m minus 1 into d. Nth term means a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, mth term and nth term. Here a is there, same similar, d is also there. What is m minus 1 by 2 is equal to, our target is find out the values of m and n by using comparing to the mth term and nth term. Okay, yeah, therefore m minus 1 by 2 is equal to m minus 1, because listen carefully, a plus m minus 1 by 2 into d. Here mth term prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ, the ratios of the mth term and nth term. What is mth term? A plus m minus 1 into d. Here a as it is there, d also as it is there, therefore m minus 1 by 2 is equal to m minus 1, because find out the values of m and n. Okay, and also n minus 1, similarly tell me, n minus 1 by 2 is equal to n minus 1. Okay, as now cross multiply, m minus 1 is equal to 2m minus 2, therefore m is equal to 2m minus 2 plus 1, therefore m is equal to 2m minus 1, m is equal to 2m minus 1. Okay, here also same procedure ma, same here n minus 1 is equal to 2n minus 2. Okay, n is equal to 2n minus 2 plus 1, therefore n is equal to 2n minus 1. Therefore the value of m and n, substitute in equation star, substitute in equation star. Substitute in equation star, yes or no? Okay, here substitute ma, here a as it is there, a plus m nothing but of 2m minus 1. Okay, 2m minus 1 divided by 2 into d divided by as a plus n what ma, 2n minus 1, right? Okay, 2n minus 1 divided by 2 into d is equal to what is the value of m? 2m minus 1. What is the value of m? 2m minus 1 divided by what is the value of n? 2n minus 1. Listen carefully. Here minus 1, how much? Minus 2. Therefore a plus 2m minus 2 divided by 2 into d divided by a plus 2n minus 2 divided by 2 into d is equal to 2m minus 1 divided by 2n minus 1. Okay, clear? Yes. Next ma, to get common outside, a plus, to get common outside, m minus 1 divided by 2 into d. Okay, divided by a plus 2 into n minus 1 divided by 2 into d is equal to 2m minus 1 divided by 2n minus 1. You observe here, 2 to get cancelled, 2 to get cancelled. What is the remaining ma? Yes, what is the remaining? Tell me. A plus m minus 1 into d divided by a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 2m minus 1 divided by 2n minus 1. What is our target? The ratios of the mth term. The ratios of the mth term and nth term is equal to 2m minus 1 divided by 2n minus 1. Okay, yes. Next step ma, I will write here. The last step I will continue here. A plus, what is the remaining? A plus m minus 1 into d divided by a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 2m minus 1 divided by 2n minus 1. Okay na? Yes, a plus m minus 1 d nothing but of, can be written as, yes, am divided by a plus n minus 1 d nothing but of an is equal to 2m minus 1 divided by 2n minus 1. What is our target? You observe the ratios of the mth term and nth term is 2m minus 1 divided by 2n minus 1. Yes or no? Yes, therefore 100% right. Hence proved. Hence proved. Okay. Yes, write neatly first. First part Rabma. Okay, second, next one, the last a2 to get cancelled. What is the remaining? A plus m minus 1 into d divided by a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 2m minus 1 divided by 2n minus 1. Therefore a plus m minus 1 d divided by a plus n minus 1 d, nothing but of mth term, and nth term of an AP is equal to 2m minus 1 divided by 2n minus 1, hence product. This is the first one method, and also another method also is there, okay, I will discuss later. Next, yes, second method, the ratios as it is read first. What is the given? The ratios of Sm divided by Sn. Okay, here m square divided by n square. Okay, you compulsory write in clearly in your notebook both methods, but in your exam as your issue, first method or second method. Okay, Sm nothing but of, tell me, yes, m by 2 into 2a plus m minus 1 into d divided by n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to m square divided by n square. Yes, first m one time get cancel, n one time get cancel, 2 get cancel. What is the remaining? Tell me, pa. As 2a plus m minus 1 into d divided by 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to m square divided by n square. Okay, what is the next step? Same procedure. The small changes in the last step. S2 get common outside, here 2 get common outside, therefore a plus m minus 1 divided by 2 into d. Okay, divided by 2 into a plus n minus 1 by 2 into d is equal to, yes, one time get cancel. What is the remaining? Right side only by m divided by n. M divided by n. Okay, S2 to get cancel. Next, cross multiplied. Okay, yes, n into a now cross multiplied. Yes, n into cross multiplied. Yes, n into a, n a plus n into multiplied m minus 1 divided by 2 into d is equal to a into m. Okay, a into m plus m into n minus 1 divided by 2 into d. Okay, yes, shifted to left side, pa. First shifted to left side. Okay, na minus ma. Okay, yes, is equal to here d is there, d get common outside. What is the remaining? The first shifted to right side means positive get be converted into negative. Okay, as here n minus m is there, as here a get common outside, n minus m is equal to here as it is right, ma, mn first multiplied mn minus m. Okay, here d by 2. Okay, here listen, m into n minus 1 divided by 2 into d minus n into m minus 1 divided by 2 into d. Here d by 2 get common, d by 2 get common outside. What is the remaining? Here multiplied mn minus m. Okay, next minus nm plus n. Okay, clear? Here the right side is shifted to right side, as m minus n into m minus 1 by 2 into d shifted to right side. Okay, minus here d by 2, here also d is there, here also d is there, d by 2 get common outside. What is the remaining? Now multiplied, is a term by term multiplied, mn minus m minus nm plus n. Okay, mn minus nm get cancel. What is the remaining? N minus m. Okay, what is the remaining? N minus m. Okay, you observe clearly, n minus m is also get cancel. N minus m is also get cancel. Yes, again I will write, don't worry. Again I will write a into n minus m is equal to d by 2 of n minus m. N minus m get cancel. Okay, now therefore now multiplied 2a is equal to d. What is the value of a? What is the value of d? 2a. Yes, what is our target? the ratios of the mth term and nth term is equal to 2m minus 1 divided by 2n minus 1. Now we have to prove that. Yes, now we have to prove that am divided by an is equal to, okay, 2m minus 1 divided by 2n minus 1 ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ mth term of NAP? ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ. mth term of NAP is equal to a from star. Okay, a plus m minus 1 into d divided by a plus n minus 1 into d. Here d substitute. Okay, d value substitute here. Substitute here. Yes, tell me a plus m minus 1 into, what is the value of d? 2a. Okay, divided by a plus n minus 1 into d value 2a. Therefore a plus multiplied 2am minus 2a divided by or a get common outside. Okay, here also a get common outside. Therefore nothing but of a plus 2an minus 2a. Up to here, understand? Okay, next step I will write here Okay, first you write Sm divided by Sn is equal to yes, here am divided by an is equal to a minus 2a minus a. Therefore 2am minus a divided by 2an minus a. What is there? Yes, what is the common? A is common. A get common outside. Therefore 2m minus 1 divided by a into 2n minus 1. A get cancelled. Therefore 2m minus 1 divided by 2n minus 1. Therefore mth term and nth term, the ratio of mth term and nth term of NAP is equal to 2m minus 1 divided by 2n minus 1. Therefore hence, write fast, hence proved. Okay, it's very important problem, very important. Yes, next going to question number 10. Question number 10, if the sum of the first p terms of an AP is equal to sum of the first q terms of an AP, okay, then sum of the first p plus q terms is equal to what? ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, what is our target? Sum of the first p plus q terms. Here observe first. Yes, what is the sum of n terms of an AP? Sum of n terms of an AP, observe here. N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N minus 1 into d. Here nothing but of n replacement what? P. Sp is equal to what? P by 2 into 2a plus p minus 1 into d. Yes or no? Next, p replacement q means as sq is equal to q by 2 into 2a plus q minus 1 into d. Okay, here next our target is finally our target is sum of the first p plus q terms. Sum of the first p plus q term means yes, sp plus q is equal to as n replacement what? P plus q is equal to what? Our target is. Okay, yes, right, given if the sum of the first p terms of an AP is equal to okay, sp is equal to sq, sum of the first q terms, then sum of the first p plus q terms is equal to what? Question mark here really. Okay, sp is equal to given sp is equal to sq. Okay, what is sum of n terms of an AP? Tell me once again. N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N replacement what? P is there. P replacement what is there? Q. Yes, p by 2 into 2a plus p minus 1 into d is equal to, write neatly. Okay, s is equal to, next side is equal to layer bakery. Okay, same order you write. Next, q by 2 into 2a plus q minus 1 into d. Okay, here listen, 2 get cancelled obviously. As next, now multiplied is term by term multiplied. Okay, as 2ap plus p square minus p into d is equal to same procedure 2aq plus q q square minus q into d. Listen carefully. Okay. Yes. Next, yeah, totally shifted to left side, ma. Totally shifted to left side. 2aq also shifted to left side. Okay. q square minus q also shifted to left side. Okay. Yes. 2a get common outside. Therefore, what is the remaining? P minus q. 2ap also here is there. 2a also the right side is there. Shifted to left side means 2 minus 2aq. 2ap minus 2aq. I will write directly as 2a get common outside, p minus q plus what is the common? D. Here also d is there. Okay. So first shifted to left side, ma. P square minus p minus q square plus q into d. D is equal to 0. Okay, is equal to 0. You write first, you write order, ma. P square minus q square as 2a into p minus q plus p square minus q square. Okay, get one order. Here minus p is there. Here what is there, ma? P minus q there. Minus get common. Minus common. P minus q into totally d is equal to 0. Okay, clear? Here p square minus q square. First write. After that minus get common. P minus p plus q as it is right. But some changes ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ really. Minus get common outside. P minus q into d is equal to 0. Okay. Yes, I will write next step here is equal to 0. Here 2a into as it is right p minus q ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ಗೆ. Yes, here ma, here what is the a square minus b square formula? A square minus b square, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Okay, a minus b. P square minus q square nothing but of, tell me. Yes, p plus p, p plus q into p minus q minus of p minus q into d is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. What is the get common? Listen carefully. Yes, p minus q is common. P minus q is common. Okay, here also p minus q, here also p minus q, here also p minus q. Therefore, totally p minus q get common outside. P minus q get common outside. What is the remaining? Yes, tell me. 2a plus, tell me, as p plus q minus 1 into d is equal to 0. 2a plus p plus q minus 1 into d is equal to 0. Is calling for star. Okay, he is calling for the equation star. Okay, so what is our target? Sum of the first p plus q term. Sum of the first p plus q term means sum of first p plus q term. First p plus q term is spq is equal to sp plus q is equal to n replacement what ma? P replacement what? Q. N and p. N replacement of p means p by 2. Q replacement of n replacement of q means q by 2. N replacement of p plus q ಆದರೆ as p plus q by 2. I'll write directly as p plus q divided by 2 into 2a plus n nothing but of p plus q. Okay, p plus q minus 1. Okay, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. n minus 1 into d. ಹೌದಾ? ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. n replacement what? P plus q. P plus q divided by 2 into 2a plus p plus q. n replacement of p plus q minus 1 into d. Okay. What is our target? Sum of the first p plus q term. You observe the above line. From calling for star. Okay, now from equation star. Okay, here 2a plus, okay, next here p minus q ma, as p minus q divided by p minus q ಮಾಡಿದರೆ, sorry wait, here p minus q, therefore as next step, therefore 2a plus p plus q minus 1 into d is equal to 0, because divided by p minus q divided by p minus q ಮಾಡಿದರೆ, okay, divided by p minus q, therefore obviously 2a plus p plus q minus 1 into d is calling for equation star, is calling for equation star. Okay, what is our target? Sum of the first p plus q term. What is sum of the first p plus q formula? P plus q divided by 2 into 2a plus p plus q minus 1 into d. Okay, as I will write here. Yes. Okay, as sp plus q is equal to p plus q. Sn formula you write, Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, here n replacement what ma our target? Sp plus q is equal to p plus q divided by 2 into 2a plus p plus q minus 1 into d. As you observe from star equation, you observe the star equation are divided by here are nothing but of 0 divided by p minus q, nothing but of 0 only. Okay, as 0 shifted to cross multiplied, 0 divided by p minus q, or nothing but of divided by p minus q means p minus q get cancelled, 0 divided by p minus q is nothing but of 0 only. Okay, from equation star, you observe from equation star what is the value of 2a plus p plus q minus 1 into d is equal to what? 0. As substitute here from equation star as p plus q divided by 2, p plus q divided by 2 into 0. Therefore 0 into any term 0. Therefore sum of p plus q term is equal to 0. What is the answer? Just tell me. As sum of p plus q is equal to 0. Okay, the nice question ma. Next goes to question number 11. Okay, sum of the first p, q and r terms of an AP are a, b and c respectively. Yes, now we have to prove that our target is a by p of q minus r, b by q of r minus p plus c by r of p minus q is equal to 0. What is the given? Sum of the first p, q and r terms of an AP are a, b and c. Sum of n terms of an AP is equal to what? Tell me. As n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sum of p means n replacement of p. Sum of q means q. Tell me. Yes, n replacement of q. Sum of n terms of an AP is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Yes or no? As Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here what is the given? Sum of the first p terms is given, q terms is given and r terms is also given respectively. Our target is prove that a by p of q minus r plus b by q of r minus p plus c by r of p minus q is equal to 0. Okay, first you write given sp is equal to, okay, sp is equal to a. What is sp? Sum of the p terms of an AP. Here p terms of an AP means p by 2 into 2a plus p minus 1 into d is equal to, okay, is equal to a. Clear? Yes. Tell me, right? 2a plus, now cross multiplied ma, 2a plus p minus 1 into d is equal to 2 into a by p. 2 into a by p. Here observe. Here what is there? A by p into q minus r is there. Okay. Yes. Plus b by q into r minus p plus c by r into p minus q is equal to 0. Here now multiplied. Okay. Q minus multiplied now multiplied q minus r both side. Now multiplied q minus r on both side as 2a into q minus r plus p minus 1 into q minus r into d is equal to 2 into a by p of q minus r. ನಿಮಗೆ ಡೌಟ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ರೀ, ಸರ್ ಕ್ಯೂ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆರ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಓಕೆ, 2a ಇಂಟು ಕ್ಯೂ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಪಿ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಇಂಟು ಕ್ಯೂ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆರ್ ಇಂಟು ಡಿ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2 into a by p of q minus r. Our given already question is given, prove that a by p into q minus r, but here only for a by p is there, q minus r not there, so multiplied q minus r our need. Okay, q minus r multiplied on both sides of the above equation. Okay, q minus r, the first step over. Now the next step, okay, here also second, next similarly SQ is equal to, you write in notebook one by one. First SP is equal to A, first right. After SQ is equal to, okay, SQ is equal to B. What is SQ? Sum of Q terms. Sum of N terms ಆದರೆ N by 2. Sum of P terms ಆದರೆ P by 2 into 2A plus P minus 1 into D. Sum of Q terms ಆದರೆ Q minus 1. Okay, SQ means Q by 2 into 2A plus q minus 1 into d is equal to b, Okay, now cross multiplied as 2a plus q minus 1 into d is equal to, now cross multiplied 2b divided by q. Okay, what is the next step? Tell me anybody? Yes, 100% r minus p. This equation as multiplied by r minus p, because already in given question prove that b by q into r minus p, but here only b by q is there. Our need as b by q into r minus p, as multiplied r minus p on both sides. It's 2a into r minus p plus q minus 1, okay, plus q minus 1 into r minus p into d is equal to 2 into b by q of r minus p is calling for equation 2. Okay, first one is calling for equation 1, next one is calling for equation 2, next one is calling for equation 3. Here sum of r times n replacement what r only. Okay, n replacement r only. SR is equal to C. What is sum of r terms? R by 2 into 2a plus r minus 1 into d is equal to C. Okay, is equal to C. SR is equal to. Now cross multiplied 2a plus r minus 1 into d is equal to 2c divided by r. What is our need? As c by r into p minus q. Yes, now multiplied p minus q on both side. Multiplied p minus q on both side. Tell me 2a into p minus q plus r minus 1 into p minus q into d is equal to 2 into c by r into p minus q. Therefore is calling for equation, tell me, is calling for equation 3. As first write SP is equal to A. Okay, sum of p terms, right, is calling for equation 1. Next step, SQ is equal to B. Okay, yes, sum of q terms, q by 2 into 2a plus q minus 1 into d is equal to B. Okay, yes, is calling for equation 2. Next one, SR is equal to C. Sum of r terms of NAP. SR means r by 2 into 2a plus r minus 1 into d. Okay, yes. Next one, S is calling for equation 3. Yes, next step is odd equation. Odd 1 plus 2 plus 3. Adding yes, these equations. Equation 1, 2, 3. Yes, the next listen. as add these three equations. You observe is equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. Equation 1, 2, 3 adding of these 1, 2, 3 equations. First right side, because a by p q minus r plus b by q r minus p plus c by r into p minus q is equal to 0 ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 2 into a by p into q minus r plus 2 into b by q into r minus p plus 2 into c by r into p minus q is equal to first 2a into q minus r plus p minus 1 into q minus r into d plus second equation 2a into r minus p plus q minus 1 into r minus p into d plus 2a into p minus q plus r minus 1 into p minus q into d. Okay, yes, you observe what is the get common. Shall I repeat ma? Yes. Yes, what is the common? You observe 2a, 2a, 2a. Next, what is the common? D is there, D is there. Here also D. Next up also D. Next third equation also D is there. Therefore, totally, tell me pa. Yes, 2a get common outside. First 2a get common outside. Listen carefully here. Okay, write neatly in your notebook. Wait pa. 2a get common outside ma. 2a get common outside. Therefore, what is the remaining? Q minus r plus add madi. Yes, add these terms. Q minus r plus r minus p plus p minus q plus p minus q. You observe q minus q get cancelled. R minus r get cancelled. Minus r plus r minus p plus p get cancelled. Therefore, 2a into 0. Okay, plus. What is the common? D get common outside. D get common outside. Last step you write D. Here p minus 1 into q minus r. Okay, plus q minus 1 into q minus 1 into r minus p. Okay, plus r minus 1 into p minus q into d. Yes, plus multiplied ma. Each term by term multiplied. Both are cancelled. You observe neatly. Okay, be careful. P into q, each term by term multiplied. Okay, p into q, pq, p into r, pr. Clear? Next, minus 1 into minus r plus r. Next, q into r, qr. Next, q into p means qp. Next, minus r minus q plus r. Here minus r plus p. Next ma, r into p, rp. Next, r into q minus rq. Here minus 1 into p. Here, listen. Minus 1 into p minus p minus 1 into q plus q. The today's session last problem break. Okay, you observe first neatly. Multiplied ma, pq. 2a into 0, obviously 0 re. Okay, yes. Next, p minus 1, pq. Okay, multiplied pq minus pr. Next, minus q plus r into totally d irutte last ge. Okay, plus qr. Next, minus qp. Okay, minus qp. Next, minus r plus p. Next, r into p, rp plus rp. Next, minus rq minus p plus pq into totally into d. There. Listen carefully. Listen. 2 into 0, obviously. Tell me pa. Yes, 0 plus pq. Okay na? Here minus 1 plus q. Okay, here pq is there. Here minus qp is there. pq minus qp get cancelled. Okay, minus pr plus pr. Okay, here minus pr plus pr also get cancelled. Next, minus rq plus rq here get cancelled ma. Okay, here observe it. Minus q plus q get cancelled. Okay, r minus r plus r get cancelled. here minus p plus p get cancel. Okay, what is the remaining? Yes, no remaining terms. Therefore obviously 0 into d, yes, 0 into d obviously is equal to 0, is equal to 0. Therefore total answer it what ma? Totally 0. Okay, here what is there? 2 get common outside. The next step here 2 get common outside. Therefore a by p of q minus r plus b by q of r minus p plus c by r of p minus q is equal to next step. Okay, next therefore obviously here 0, the last step is answer is 0. 0 by any term 0, obviously here what is there? Tell me. A by p of q minus r plus b by q of r minus p plus c by r of p minus q is equal to 0 divided by 2 is equal to 0. Okay, yes, therefore tell me last conclusion answer. As a by p, prove that a by p of q minus r is equal to 0 re. Okay, because not clear. Therefore 0 plus 0. Okay, totally get cancel 0 plus 0 d into therefore 0. Okay, is equal to 0 by 2 is equal to 0. Therefore you write conclusion last answer hence. Tell me ma, hence proved. Okay, hence proved. Any doubt? First you observe total add 1 2 3 equations. Okay, I will write. You also in your notebook write neatly, because 2a 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 is there, therefore obviously 2a get common outside. Next d there. Yes, you write also in notebook 1 by 1 2a plus q minus r plus p minus into q minus r into d. Next step 2a get common outside. Next plus d into total you write first. After that multiplied each term by term, each term by term. Therefore total all term get cancelled. 0 plus 0 0 only, not 2 0 only 0. 0 plus 0 0 only, 0 divided by any term 0 only. Therefore what is our target? As prove that a by p into q minus r plus b by q into r minus p plus c by r into p minus q is equal to 0. Last step you write must should be hence proved, because prove that anta kelidare. So hagagi hence proved anta baribeku. Yes, right, all of you write hence proved. Okay, yes, thank you for watching the video. ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಈಗ ಲೈಕ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದರೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸ್ಲೋ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸಿದರೆ ನೀವು ಸರ್ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಗೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಸಹ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಹ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.